questioning judgment
hold
here.
Hold on a sec. There are Crocs that look like rocks.
Yeah, and if you're starving on a desert island, you can boil them and eat them.
Price check.
Brad, so we have heard that you have a little bit of an ESP, extrasensory perception skill, but the skill is being able to tell exactly how much an outfit costs without knowing where the pieces come from. So I actually have an image where Brian and myself were styled by another stylist. So we actually don't know how much these outfits cost either, but I thought it'd be fun for all of us to take a little guess.
Okay.
I think my outfit, top, jeans, and shoes, I think costs about $200. What do you think?
I'm with you. I'm gonna say $250 probably.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go 251. Price is Right rules.
There's always one guy that does the
literally.
251.
140.
Ooh, wow.
This is a cute fit for 140.
140?
Amazing. Wow. I love it.
Wow.
That's pretty good.
Okay.
I guess my ESP's not really working today.
All right, so I got one right here. Shirt, jeans, shoes. I'm gonna go 250.
I was gonna go like 140.
I'm gonna go 150.
Survey says
Oh.
Oh.
$100.
That's pretty good.
That's a good fit for $100. Okay.
Brian's like, wait a second.
Way to manage your finances, SoFi. Good job.
Nice.
Brian's like literally not so. She's like, $100.
That's all I'm worth?
It's just an
I'm
outfit.
happy that it was $100. Like that would be like, you were like,
Yeah, it
oh,
feels
that's
like your
a good,
jam, no?
Yeah, that's about my
Yeah.
normal. Yeah, well, I don't want to give any hints, but yeah.
Yeah,
I'd
yeah.
say,
Okay, cool.
But that feels like a very, like, I feel like a guy would be really happy that they were spending like $100 on an outfit.
Yeah.
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 Not
okay.
me, but like.
Yeah, not you.
I'm like,
but
my underwear was like $100.
okay. This is the next outfit. Cute, right?
That's very cute.
Cute. We love.
We do love.
Take a guess.
I'm gonna say we're in like the 300 range.
Brian.
I don't know, I'll go 500. It looks fancy.
870.
$870?
That okay, listen.
On an outfit?
Listen.
How is that possible?
I was in Milan. I was in Italy. I was shopping. These are two pieces from Sandro, the newest collection. I did, in fact, pay full price. I'm not proud of it.
I was thinking like $100 a piece.
Yeah. No, okay. So
I think the black skirt really set me off because I'm like, it's a black skirt.
Right.
You can get it at like.
I will say, when you see the black skirt in person, the texture of the material.
Oh, is it like a boucle kind of like nubby?
It's high end.
I like that.
It's nice.
$870 though.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
All right, so up next, we have, I'd say a nice like golf outfit, right? Like, you got the pullover, the
Wait.
polo.
Brian, is that a SoFi pullover?
First of all, there's no price on that because you got that in a swag bag.
You got that for free at the company.
So we take that out of the mix.
Okay, yeah, you're fair. Polo, some Adidas golf pants. So what do you guys think?
Adidas golf pants are not cheap.
$80 all in.
80 all in.
Yeah.
Including the shoes.
I'm gonna say, so we have a polo, we have a golf pant, and a sneaker.
But the polo doesn't count because he got in a swag bag.
Is there a polo underneath that?
Under the pullover, there is a polo.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, wait.
Yeah.
Then I want to change my answer. But you can go first.
I'm gonna say we're at like 160.
120.
190.
Wow.
In all fairness,
golf
SoFi
pants are-
polo underneath, the SoFi pullover, both those were free. Adidas golf pants were, I think, like 60. No bowl. Those are
the fancy shoes.
Yeah, because I messed up my ankle really bad, so I had to wear high tops.
This,
Cute.
what are we thinking?
150.
I'm gonna say we're at like 275. I think I've seen that set.
You guys are both so off. I got this dress for like $50. And these, I literally stole from my best friend. These are her shoes.
So theft counts in this.
Theft
Okay.
counts.
We didn't
1000%.
know that
She's basically my sister.
thievery was a content. Is that a word? Thievery?
Thievery. Yeah.
Sure.
So this whole outfit was like $60.
Wow.
Yeah. So very budget friendly, cute, did it, against the floral background.
Yeah, I think the whole setup made it look really expensive.
Yeah. All right. Got a wedding photo. Wedding tux.
Is it a
Is that
rented
you
or a
at your
purchased
wedding?
tux?
Yeah, this is at my wedding.
It's his wedding.
Yeah, it's my wedding.
Oh, that's so
2010.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay. And you bought it?
I did not buy it.
You rented the tux.
I rented it, yes.
Brad's jaw
Is that
is on
frowned
the
upon?
floor.
You're not supposed to rent a tux?
Not for your wedding.
Not that you're not supposed to, but like, you know.
Okay.
So we're guessing the rental price of your tuxedo?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say we're up around like $850.
200.
Free.
What?
Yeah, Men's Warehouse. So if all my groomsmen rented their tuxes from Men's Warehouse, I got mine for free.
I will say that's really
smart.
smart. Yeah. I
Yeah,
like that a lot.
I do like that. I do like that a lot. That's basically like robbing Men's Suit Warehouse or whatever it's called. Yeah, good for you.
Okay.
Nicely done.
Last but not least, me having so much fun at the SoFi member lounge at SoFi Stadium. Very cute fit, right?
Very cute. I'm gonna say this fit costs $200.
I'm gonna go 150.
What are you doing? Please don't. What? What are you doing?
Okay,
What's
so
going on?
let me explain. These jeans I saw on a celebrity and I loved how they looked.
Kourtney Kardashian,
No,
Kylie,
no.
Kendall,
No.
Kim,
No.
Hailey Bieber.
Shay Mitchell. I'm so sorry. I don't know if we're gonna be even allowed to air that. But I saw them on some a celebrity, so I ended up buying them myself, and the jeans were like $550, $600. Yeah.
With holes in them? I sound like my dad now.
Okay, you sound like my grandma. I paid extra for these 3 holes. Thank you. They're
I have a
expensive.
pair of jeans that have paint splatters all over them.
Yeah.
And like so many people are like, oh, did you just finish painting your house? I'm like, They were like $800.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you feel very good about the purchase of those jeans?
I do, because you know what? They are so comfortable and I love wearing them and I wear them all the time.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
I'm getting a lot of
happy for
utility
you.
out of them.
Okay, great. That's a good purchase
Yeah,
then.
I agree.
Retail, no sale, no discount code, nothing.
I did get a little cash back from a cashback like website.
Oh, nice.
Yes, exactly.
All right, last one. Little casual wear, outdoor concert. Okay, a little button down, some shorts, camo Crocs. First of all, are camo Crocs in style these
What's
days?
a camo croc?
They're Crocs, but they're camouflage.
They're not.
Questioning judgment
hold
here.
on a sec. There are Crocs that look like
No, Crocs that look like camouflage, like green and brown and beige.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah.
But why?
I mean, why not?
But like,
Who are you
why do
hiding from?
Why do you need camouflage?
I mean-
yeah, exactly. I'm going like $75.
Okay, hold on. The Crocs alone, I would say, are like 60. So I would go 100.
115.
Oh,
Yeah. Crocs aren't cheap, even though they're made out of cornstarch. And if you're starving on a desert island, you can boil them and eat them.
they're made out of cornstarch?
Or
Random.
something of that nature that you can like consume them if things got really dire.
Yeah.
Let's hope it doesn't get there. You start eating them in your apartment because you
Yeah.
don't want to wash dishes.
Yeah,
You're like, I just eat
basically.
Crocs now.
I'm being dragged. I came here for a good time.
Well, wait, no, I mean, my
yeah,
outfits
okay,
here.
honestly, fair. We roasted
And I didn't
the
get
camera.
asked if I paid retail for any of my outfits.
I didn't. But did you?
No.
I think I bought them all on Amazon, to be honest
Yeah.
with you.
Yeah.
I'm guilty as charged as well.
Yeah. Thank you so much for playing Price Check with us. I had a lot of fun.
I did too.
Should we do it all together again?
Definitely.
1, 2, 3.
Price check.
Hi, it's me, Brian Walsh, aka Dr. Money again, to talk about some of the legal stuff. Though I am a certified financial planner professional, your finances are unique. That means anything I talked about today shouldn't be considered advice. Think of it more as high-level education or guidance.
And don't forget to subscribe.